Hey adventurers, 2023 was such an amazing year and you've joined us on many of our journeys, but there is so much more to see with you. We've only scratched the surface of all the geocaching adventures and travels we enjoyed last year, and what have we got planned for 2024? Well, you're gonna love it all. So, let's recap some of the most memorable moments of this past year, give you a peek at content that's coming, and bring you along for a crazy kick into 2024. And we'll even let you in on some of our huge plans for 2024. So, fasten your seatbelts, return your tray table to the upright position, and come along for this LANMonkey geocaching adventure. Hey adventurers, it is January 1st, it is New Year's. We are going to have an amazing day to kick off our geocaching for 2024. We're going to start with a pretty amazing experience in the water because it's Polar Bear Day, and then we're going to find some caches with friends. You going in? No? It's not too late.
I have brains.
So as you can see, that is a pretty great way to start a new year. 2024, we kicked it off with our first ever polar bear swim. Well, let me be clear, Mr. Monkey's first ever polar bear swim. Mrs. Monkey had no intention of going in, but had a great time. There was 10 of us who all went in the water there, you saw. Had a fantastic time for a few of us. It was our first polar bear swim. That launched everything off, and then we went out caching, and we're going to show you some of the fun we had caching with friends here coming up. But the other thing I wanted to mention is just kind of looking back at this past year, 2023. There are so many amazing adventures that we were able to go on, and a lot of them we've brought you with us, but there's so much content that gets created, and having a full-time job and being a part-time creator, there's only so much time to actually create content. So we're still going to be catching up as we go forward in this year and providing you more content that took place the past year, but we'll get it to you shortly, so hang tight for that. In the meantime, here's a few clips of some of the things that we did get up to in 2023, just to kind of whet your appetite of content that is coming this year. Now, we've teased that we've got something really big coming up in 2024, and in fact, we've got a few big things coming up we're really excited about. The first, though, is we have an epic adventure coming up. We are heading to Antarctica, and we are heading to the ape cache in Brazil. And so we're really excited to go on those adventures, and we'll be filming tons of great content before, during, and after to share those exciting adventures with you. So make sure you subscribe and follow us so that you don't miss out any of those amazing adventures. And then after that, we've got lots more big adventures planned for 2024. So again, follow us on all of our socials, and we hope you really enjoy coming along for our adventures. Now, with that all said, it's time to enjoy just a little more fun as we kick off this year and we move into 2024 with you. Well, there you have it, adventurers. Cheers to an amazing 2023 and what looks like it's going to be an even more amazing 2024, and bringing you along with us. But first, enjoy a pint and that's delicious. Local brews, gotta love them. And oh shoot, I gotta start editing.